Hey guys, it's tea time with CJ and Cori, of course.
Of course.
Hey y'all, it's tea time
With CJ and Cori.
Okay guys, so today for tea time, we are sipping and spilling the tea. Thank you Naturao for sending this over for CJ and Cori's tea time, and we are so excited to try these. Cori, I have never heard of Aronia Berry before, but have you ever heard of Aronia Berry?
No.
It says that they have one of the highest antioxidant capacities for berries. Okay, come on.
Can we get into it?
Okay, let's get into it.
Can we drink it and stuff?
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Oh, shake before opening. Shake it up, baby.
Shake it up, baby.
Okay. Ooh, y'all, that looks good, doesn't it?
Open it.
Okay.
Why it's bubbly.
Ooh, I love that sound. Let's get it. Oh, that smells good. Look. That y'all mopsicks. Pour some for you. I feel like it tastes a little mint. Oh, it does. It has organic peppermint tea in there. I knew it tasted a little mint. It's very refreshing, not extra sweet. It's really good.
That was actually good.
That's good?
Yeah.
You like that? Okay, good. Okay, so the apple is a winner. Let's try another one. We're gonna do the hibiscus rosehip now, okay?
Wait, let's smell.
Ooh.
I love that sound.
Don't put your whole nose in it. Look, it's in a hibiscus.
Okay, of course, girl.
Okay, this one is less sweet. The apple definitely had more sweetness. Okay, it's definitely not as sweet.
No, not that sweet, but it's
not.
good.
You like the last one better?
I like the
The apple.
I think the pineapple one going to be better.
You think the pineapple's gonna be better? Yeah, okay, this one definitely doesn't have as much sweetness, but that's probably, I mean, they all have no added sugar, but I bet you the apple in that one gave it more flavor. It's very refreshing, but I like hibiscus and rosehip. Like, I'll drink that tea alone. Pineapple. This is definitely more like a mommy sweet. This is for me.
Yeah, me too. It's really like a mommy sweet.
It's like a mommy kind, it's not really.
Uh.
So far, I know your fave is the apple. I think so far my fave is actually the hibiscus rosehip tea. I like the apple too with the sweetness, but the rosehip so far is just really refreshing. This pineapple, you can taste the pineapple in this. Okay, this one actually is made with black tea, but ooh, that smells really good. But you know what? This one, it kind of smells like a little bit.
Wait, can it smell like it?
Oh, sorry. It kind of smells like prunes, this one.
Oh yeah, it actually smells like prunes.
Yeah, it does. You know the little sweet? We love prunes though. Oh, not it for you? Yeah, you can, I didn't think so. You can definitely taste the black tea in this one, but you know I love black tea, so. I think what you're missing is just the sweetness. That's why I think the apple, not it. That's okay. I can see why you're not really feeling this one as much, but you're going back for more.
Black tea, not my favorite, but the apple is my favorite. I'm gonna put some more in.
The apple's your favorite. So the black tea wasn't really your cup of tea, but the apple, okay, you're getting more apple. The apple was really good, but you know what my number one is?
What?
This hibiscus.
Oh wait.
Okay, so overall, what we thinking, Cori? What are we thinking?
Overall, we will drink these again.
You would drink them again? Yeah. You would definitely drink the apple. Oh, okay, I know you're not gonna have the black tea again, but that's good for me because mommy can.
I'm gonna have the biscuit.
The hibiscus. Okay, so Cori loves the.
Take this to school.
And I would drink them all, honestly. Like, I don't need it to be super duper sweet, so that's good for me. Cori is a sweets kind of girl. Okay. Thanks, Naturao.